So where were we? 38 days and a whole World Cup have passed since United won at Fulham. They return to action tonight, looking to book a place in the quarter-finals of the Carabao Cup. Now here's Bruno Fernandes through towards Garnacho. Garnacho ricochets back off him. Well, he did enough there, Peacock Farrell, but Alejandro had a big chance there.
Yeah, he did. He just didn't get enough on it.
Fernandes. Wan-Bissaka, great ball across, that is brilliant. Eriksen scores from close range. Great pass from Fernandes, but how acrobatic and clever is that from Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Absolutely superb, and United lead in the cup tie. Special from Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Goes for goal himself, it's a good hit. And Dubravka turns it behind for the corner.
He quite clearly enjoys cutting in and having a bang with his left.
Corner. Swung in and he's coming out, Dubravka, and it could ricochet anywhere, and that is turned off the line dramatically. And he gets away with that, Dubravka.
He completely misses, doesn't it? It's Casemiro in the end that hooks it clear.
Now here's McTominay striding through midfield. Martial back to goal. Martial finds space. That's a tremendous save from Peacock Farrell. It really is. Big save. Martial did the hard work there, but just couldn't find the net. Now United can break out with Marcus Rashford steaming up the right-hand side. Martial to his left. Rashford still going. It's a great run! What a goal! What a player! Marcus Rashford with a scintillating second. And United on the brink of the quarter-finals. They've got two.
As soon as he picks up that ball, so direct, so positive, purposeful. Everything that you've said about Marcus Rashford all season.
It's Goodmanson who doesn't quite have the pace of old, but it's a dangerous ball in towards the substitute, who misses a great chance. Darko Churlinov had a glorious chance to make his name at Old Trafford. Goodmanson, great vision. He put it on a plate. Oh, United give it straight to Goodmanson, who's got a great chance now. Oh, what a miss. What a miss for Barnes. And the fans behind that goal, the Burnley fans, thought that was in.
It's the only mistake, I have to say, that Casemiro has made all evening.
Job well done for Manchester United, who are through to the quarter-finals of the